I'll be starting this project by trimming and measuring cardboard pieces to create a tiny desk and chair. I've already roughly sketched out Troy and Abed's entryway onto my medium. I may need to make some adjustments, but at least this way I'll have a general outline of what I'm going for. Using polymer clay, I'm now sculpting the infamous intercom as well as a cushion for our cardboard chair. After cutting out the closet door, I'll create a little golden doorknob to install later on. I had a scrap of red vinyl, which ended up being the perfect color for our door. Now I'll begin painting our little chair cushion. I wanted it to look a little bit worn and used to capture that first apartment feel. I had some wood grain contact paper left over from a previous project, and I thought covering the desk and chair would give it a more realistic look. While finishing up this chair, I was also brainstorming on how to create tiny little photo frames. Luckily, my husband offered to 3D print some for me. Now I'll be creating a tiny little lampshade out of cardstock, and I'll attach it to our lamp base with wire. I found an outdated orange flooring pattern online. I shrunk it down, printed it out onto cardstock, and then I glued that panel down. I also printed some wood paneling onto some cardstock in order to create our walls. I know my pattern looks a little funky right now, but just give it a minute. I'll paint the trim, which I made out of cardboard. For the fun part, let's decorate our apartment. Apartment 303 is really coming together, but unfortunately I forgot to record setting the closet door and creating the overhead lamp, so I do apologize. I wasn't brave enough to sculpt the hats hanging on the closet door, so my husband saved the day yet again by 3D printing me some hats. While painting the hats, I suddenly had the urge to create the housewarming gift that Annie brings to the guys in the Remedial Chaos Theory episode, which is a potted plant. Let's make this functional. I'm adding 4 small hooks on the front and 2 small hooks on the sides for sunglasses to hang. And voila! What do we think?